everyone, in this Oclef video we will be talking about sections. The point of sections is to break a piece into smaller chunks that your child can practice separately before putting together. Breaking a piece into sections is the best way to learn music and helps identify and treat problem, patches, and difficulties. Sectioning a piece is easy. Just take a pen or pencil and draw a bracket in the music with the section measures inside. Knowing what to section off is a little harder. Divide the music every time something in the music changes, usually a hand position shift. Sections can also be where something grows difficult, like a tricky rhythm. This helps your child use practice tools based on the uniformity of the individual section. In this example, we sectioned the music into bite-sized pieces based on where the rhythm and notes are similar to each other. The first two measures are sectioned off because it's the same repeated chord. The second and fourth sections both have the same counting structure and similar notes. The third section has a complicated pattern that should be practiced on its own. This concludes our video on sectioning. Thanks for watching!